Hello beautiful people, I'm your host Jason. In this video I'll be showing you how to make money online by watching videos. So if you like to watch videos online, this is definitely the one for you, as I'll be showing you how to make money in your spare time by doing this. The first app that I would recommend you download is ClipClaps, and ClipClaps is available on both iPhone and Android device. And the thing that I love about the ClipClaps apps is it's legit, so you are certain that you'll be getting your money, but it is also available worldwide. Once you can receive PayPal cash or you can receive crypto payments, you'll be able to convert your rewards and start getting paid. And ClipClaps also shows fun YouTube videos and other videos that you can watch, and depending on the length of the video, you can earn even more. And also, if you are living in the United States or the United Kingdom, you will have even more options to earn even more with ClipClaps. The other option that you can use is iRazzo. The only pullback when it comes to iRazzo is it's available worldwide, but the options that you have to make money on it are limited depending on the country or the region that you are living in. So for example, if I were to scroll down and tap on the watch video section, I would not be able to use this feature on this app because I'm living in the Caribbean, but you can use this app to take surveys or so on. So unless you are living in the United States, United Kingdom or Canada, this option would not be for you. The other option that you could look into is Inbox Dollars, and again, Inbox Dollars is a good way to watch videos and get money, but it all depends on the country or the region that you are in. And it's the same with the other option that I'm about to show you, which is Swagbucks. With Swagbucks, again, you can watch videos and get paid, but it all depends on the country or the region that you're in. But either one, if you can't get paid via watching videos, you have other options that you can use on these platforms to earn money. For example, you can simply play games, or you can do surveys and earn money on either Inbox Dollars or Swagbucks. Both of them are reliable and popular options that persons use to earn extra money while at home. The other platform that I would recommend that you give a try is SuperPayMe. And SuperPayMe is quite easy to sign up with. And once you have signed up on the platform, you will be redirected to this dashboard right here. And you're going to simply tap on their offer walls section. And depending on the country or region that you're in, you will see numerous options on how you can make money using SuperPayMe. And again, because I'm in the Caribbean, my options with SuperPayMe are limited, but they do offer good paying surveys that you can use. And once you have done the surveys, you can get paid via PayPal. And another option on how to make money while watching videos is Microworkers. With Microworkers, you'll be able to get paid to watch YouTube or TikTok videos. All you'll have to do is simply sign up with your email address and create a password, as you can see right here. Once in the Microworkers, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you can choose most paying, as I have done right here. And you can scroll down and you can see here to simply watch this YouTube video, leave a like and comment. I will be able to get 35 cents. And you can see right here, so simply search, watch and like, you can get 22 cents. And you can see there are numerous options that you'll be getting paid to watch YouTube videos. The other platform that I would recommend that you look into also is Sproutgigs.com. And Sproutgigs.com is the other name for Workers, as this is the new website or the new domain name for Workers. This is Sproutgigs.com. And once you have signed up to Sproutgigs.com, you are going to tap on Microjobs and you will be redirected to this page right here. And from here, you can see numerous options. For example, watch this YouTube video and leave a like, and you can earn 5 cents. You can see that there are numerous options on how you can watch videos and earn. and your earnings will depend on the country that you're living in. So for example, if you're living in America or Canada, you will have a higher earning potential compared to someone living in the Caribbean. And last but definitely not least, I would recommend that you give Earnable a try. Earnable is a very popular platform when it comes to earning some side income. While you won't be earning a life-changing amount of money, this is a good option to earn some extra cash during your spare time. It's quite easy to sign up, as all you'll have to do is enter your email address and create a password. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to their offer walls section, on which you'll tap on earn, and from there, depending on the country or region you're in, you will see the option to watch videos. And once you have selected that, you will see different options on different videos that you can watch and the amount that you can earn. But Earnable is not available worldwide, so it all depends on the region that you're in. So if you are living in the Caribbean or so on, Earnable would not work for you. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, so whenever I release similar videos on how to make money online, you will receive an update. Thank you for watching.